Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Afterpay BigCommerce Integration. This tutorial will walk you through the process of integrating Afterpay with your BigCommerce store, allowing you to offer buy now pay later options to your customers. First, you need to have a BigCommerce store and an Afterpay account. If you don't have an Afterpay account, you can sign up for one on their website. Once you have both, you can start the integration process. To integrate Afterpay with BigCommerce, you need to install the Afterpay app from the BigCommerce App Store. Once installed, you will be prompted to enter your Afterpay API credentials. These credentials can be found in your Afterpay account dashboard. After entering your API credentials, you will need to configure the Afterpay payment method in your BigCommerce store. This includes setting the payment method name, description, and currency. You also need to set the payment terms, such as the number of installments and the payment due dates. Once the payment method is configured, you need to add the Afterpay payment button to your store's checkout page. This button will allow customers to select Afterpay as their payment method and will redirect them to the Afterpay website to complete the payment. To test the integration, you can create a test order in your BigCommerce store and select Afterpay as the payment method. This will allow you to verify that the integration is working correctly and that customers can successfully complete payments using Afterpay. Best practices for Afterpay BigCommerce integration include ensuring that your store's checkout page is secure and that you are complying with Afterpay's terms and conditions. You should also test the integration regularly to ensure that it is working correctly and make any necessary updates to the payment method configuration. In conclusion, integrating Afterpay with BigCommerce is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can offer buy now pay later options to your customers and improve their shopping experience. Remember to test the integration regularly and comply with Afterpay's terms and conditions to ensure a smooth and secure payment process.